open road, you sitting close.
This is the famous lake, Tekapo.
As if all I have is you, then I'll be just fine. Yeah, I'll be just fine.
White horse here. Kain muna kami. Oh, ganda oh. Nakita mo yung Snow Mountain.
While the sun it slowly fades, days are full, and I'll spend them with you. So let's go somewhere far away. 'Cause if all I have is you, then I'll be just fine.
Doon tayo sa ano? Doon tayo sa baba. And that's the time when I don't go to school for like 4 days. No. If you got the sponsorship for working visa, you don't have to show that
Chocolates, because she said, oh, I don't have enough money. I only have $90 in my account, and the food is like kind of 150, 170.
our driver, you know. It's a song.
It's a song.
Perlicia. Where?
Oh, yeah, the big house.
Oh,
Yeah,
that one.
Pearly.
Perlicia in the ocean.
No entry.
Alright, time check natin is 8:21 ng umaga. Nandito tayo sa may Pearly public toilet. So stop over muna tayo. And then 30 to 40 minutes ay mararatingan natin yung ating panibagong adventure. Yeah, New Zealand Hills. Alright, so yun, welcome to our another adventure. Na naman tayo dito. Siyempre ito, meron tayo ng chance, opportunity, thanks God, na papasyalan natin yung isang sa mga must visit place at one of the most popular attraction here in New Zealand, itong Lake Tekapo. Yeah. Sa Pearly Bakehouse. Oh, that's Ayaka from Japan. Yeah. Alright, so mga klase natin, syempre yan, si Ate Nori. And yun, ito daw yung mga one of the famous bake shop here in Pearly. Let's go. Alright, Pearly Bake. Alright, 9:13 ng umaga. Teka po. So dito kami, doon kami nag-park sa part na yon. And then ayan, ito yung mga establishment sa paligid ng Lake Tekapo. Okay, si Marlon, si Ate Nori, si Ate Kat, okay, and Ayaka from Japan. Japan represent. Ayaka, say hi. Yeah. Konnichiwa gozaimasu. Arigato, mushi-mushi. Alright, tapos ayun yung famous church. Ayan, no. Ayan, so medyo cloudy today. Cloudy. Kaya, pero at least not raining. So we have time to enjoy and take photos dito sa Lake Tekapo, one of the famous and must visit attraction in New Zealand, especially in South Island.
Nice.
It's a 3 to 4 hours drive from Christchurch, and yan, super scenic view ang makikita nyo rito. You know, doon tayo galing. Yan, doon tayo nag-park. And of course, this is the famous Lake Tekapo.
Okay.
And where is the famous tree?
In Wanaka.
That's in Wanaka. Oh, okay. Alright, so yan. Makikita nyo yung, and yan, we can walk around there. Oh my God. Amazing. And the activity na gagawin dito is walk. Keep walking. Alright. Grabe. Super nice. Oh, it's nice to take photos there on the rock. Yeah. Woo. Grabe, ganda. Yeah. Gano'ng kalinaw ang tubig dito. Oh. This is the water. Woo. Crystal clear. Grabe. Hi. Oh yeah. So yan. Welcome to Lake Tekapo in New Zealand. Grabe yung ano dun, no? Mountain, no? Yun, no? Okay, so punta naman kami dun sa may church. Doon kami galing sa side na yon. So kailangan natin tumawid ng bridge. Grabe. Lamig. Lamig sa kamay. Naninigas pa naman yung kamay mo, no? Alright. Okay, we're crossing the bridge. Alright, dito na tayo ngayon sa may mismong famous na church. Ito yung mga nandito ngayon. Church. Okay, so brief history. Church of the Good Shepherd. What's the name? Good Shepherd Church. Alright, and beautiful view right here. AC. Welcome to Lake Tekapo. Wow. Nice. Yeah. Awesome. Ganda. Just a quick tour dito sa Good Shepherd Church. So ayan. Tingnan natin ng konti. Ayan, marami pa rin ang parating mga tourists dito. Oh. nyo dapat na miss ang mag-take ng photos. Very memorable photos. Take a picture. Nice. Amazing. It says that the monument was erected by the landholders of Mackenzie County. Those who also appreciate the work of the corridor without the help of which grazing of. Okay, so yan ang party ng mga dog dito. Okay. Okay, souvenir shop here. Oh, look at the portrait photo.